It's TechLid with the latest news and rumors. So, the iPhone SE is set to launch real soon. We're going to give you just a few reasons why you should consider getting the iPhone SE after it launches. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for fresh new content. Give a thumbs up to the video. Also, any opinions, disagreements, comments down below in that comment section. Reason number 1 to get the iPhone SE. The bottom line, of course, the pricing. The pricing is going to be from $350 up to $400, I believe, for the starting iPhone SE. Nobody wants to pay $350 for that cheap phone. I don't want no cheap piece of crap phone. Are you kidding me? Well, look here, Mad Max. The iPhone SE will come in at that price, and there are some advantages to that. Think about it. We're at a time right now where we have ultra flagship premium phones. We have smartphones that are coming in at $2,000, $1,500. So this is a far cry from that price point. We're talking about saving money in the bank. You're going to save some moolah here with that. Nothing wrong with saving some money and getting some true value for your money with these incredible smartphone deals for the budget conscious and also those that just don't want to splurge that large amount of money. Now for the second reason that you should get the iPhone SE, we're going to talk about the package that it's coming in. It will be a lightweight smartphone, so that is definitely a good reason to get it. Nobody wants that crappy little, small, lightweight phone. I thought we were done with all that. That stuff is over. Nobody wants that kind of phone. Those are the old days. Look here, Mad Max. Me personally, I wouldn't be caught dead with a small phone. It's just not to my liking. But there are people that do like the smaller phones. They actually prefer it. And to be honest, it makes sense for them. It's a lighter phone that you don't have to feel like a burden in your hand. So for those people, that small size phone, it's a good thing for them. Think about it. When we have these super large phones, sometimes it's a disadvantage because we have to do the two-hand thing. I have no problem with it. More screen real estate, but those people that need the smaller phones, that's just fine. It fits with one hand operation for everything. So that is a reason to get the iPhone SE. Another reason that a person can consider getting the iPhone SE is the Touch ID fingerprint recognition system. This is coming back now to the iPhone SE. Nobody wants to use Touch ID fingerprint stuff. Are you kidding me? Who uses that? All we want is facial recognition. I just want to look at my iPhone and then boom, I'm right there. I don't want this fingerprint stuff. What the heck is that? Now look here, Mad Max. I'm pretty sure that you love this facial recognition stuff that iPhone has going on, but people really love the fingerprint recognition, and the Touch ID was just something that was near and dear to many iPhone users, so that coming back is not such a bad thing. Think about what's going on in the world today. We have all of this unfortunate stuff going on with COVID-19, and just think about this for 1 second. You're wearing a mask. You need to get to your phone. Your iPhone will not recognize this because you have a mask. So what is going to happen here? you're going to need to resort to another way that is simple to get into your phone. Fingerprint recognition. That will always get you through. The mask won't do, but fingerprints will always get you through. Remember, you can set fingerprints to all your fingers, so it shouldn't be a problem. So these are just a few reasons to consider getting the iPhone SE when it launches. The first one that we went over was price. The second one is the phone being lightweight. And the third thing that we just covered, the Touch ID fingerprint recognition. These are some solid reasons to consider getting the iPhone SE. Once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give a thumbs up to the video. Any comments down below in that comment section. Peace and love to the TechLid Legion.